Namaste, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon everyone. I'm Apeksha Nirawala from Nepal and a participant of CBA10 Youth Conference. I'm a law student. I recently graduated from Kathmandu School of Law this year. It gives me an immense pleasure to share my experiences regarding the CBA10 Youth Conference in front of you all today. The first thing, this youth conference and its theme, Youth Mobilization to Enhance Urban Community Resilience, is the major thing that insisted me to come to Bangladesh traveling from Nepal. In Nepal, I work as a human rights activist and I'm constantly advocating for the rights of women and the role of youth for the protection of the human rights. As per my experience working as youth activist in Nepal, there are a relation number of advocacy programs conducted for the protection of environment. The youths in Nepal are basically focused on protection of the human rights and protection of the rights of child, rights of women, and they are basically engaged in advocating for gender equality. So there are the relation number of youth advocacy that have been conducted in Nepal regarding right to safe and healthy environment as such. So I, being a youth and also a law student, I realize that it is my role to advocate for the minimization of ongoing crises and the problems that our society is currently facing. In Nepal, we do have a problem of climate change. And yes, it is directly and indirectly affecting the environment and the right to health of people in large. Yes, Himalayas are melting. There is depletion of resources, biodiversity loss, and long-lived radioactive wastages. There are the problems. So there are the problems in Nepal as well, serious problems which also have a solution. So it is the youth who have to walk in the present to protect the future. And I realized after this conference that young people can play a very active role in protecting and improving the environment. Here, attending this youth conference, CBA10 Youth Conference 2016 in Bangladesh, had made me realize intensely that youth are the backbone of the nation. The sessions, which were very interactive as such, and the workshop provided a huge horizon on the role of youth for the protection of environment. This has taught a good lesson for a youth like us that youth are the change factor, and they themselves can start a change by making a change from their homes, from their schools, from the universities, and doing a lot of things in the public places. And they can make their houses, their schools, and their public places more environmental friendly by adopting the environmental friendly approaches and practices. So I can say that after attending this 2 days conference, I can proudly say that yes, youth can work for the environment protection. We also can conduct workshops and the major things, like we can also do the tree plantation programs, cleanliness programs, and work for the recycling of the materials as well as preserving resources as water and electricity. Yes, we can do general things. Youth can do, there are the general things that youth can do from their side as well. Like we can close the running tap waters when it is not needed. We can turn off the light and save the electricity. Also, we can recycle the paper and so on. So apart from this, these are my learnings and my experience I had gained in these 2 days. And though the weather in Bangladesh is very hot, but the people in Bangladesh, I find them very cool and very generous and very kind. And apart from this, and these learnings are to be implemented. So I'm starting these things from myself. So I'm returning back to Nepal on 1st of May. So I think I will just conduct a meeting over there with my youth. There are the number of youth working with me in Nepal. So I will aware them in my country for the protection of environment. I will just implement these things there. And I would also love to work with the guidance of ICAD in near future for the protection of environment. So lastly, it's better to show your action than to speak more. So I believe in action. So lastly, protect the environment, protect the present, protect the future. Thank you.